Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that plagues many a Robinhood user: how much money can I actually withdraw from my account? Now, we all know Robinhood is a fantastic platform for getting started in investing. They make it easy to buy and sell stocks, options, even crypto, all from your phone. But what if you need that money back in your hand? Maybe you're looking to snag that new gadget you've been eyeing, or maybe you just want some peace of mind knowing your cash isn't solely tied up in the market. Whatever the reason, understanding Robinhood's withdrawal system is key. So, let's get down to brass tacks. There are two main things to consider when it comes to how much you can pull out: daily limits and settlement times. Daily limits: how much can you grab in a day? Imagine you're on a shopping spree, but your credit card has a spending limit. That's kind of how daily limits work on Robinhood. There are actually two types, depending on how you funded your account. Standard ACH transfers: this is the most common way to add money to Robinhood, and it comes with a daily limit of $50,000. That's a pretty hefty chunk of change for most folks. There's also a less common option for larger withdrawals of up to $250,000 per day, but that comes with some additional steps. Instant deposits and money send: if you're a Robinhood Gold subscriber or use instant deposits, you might be tempted by the idea of zipping funds into your account. However, there's a trade-off. These super speedy deposit methods come with a lower daily withdrawal limit of $5,000. Keep that in mind if you're planning a larger transfer. Settlement times: when does that sold stock become real cash? Alright, so you've placed an order to sell some stock. But hold on a sec, that doesn't mean the money instantly appears in your withdrawable balance. Robinhood, like most brokerages, has a settlement time. This is essentially the time it takes for the trade to finalize and for the cash from the sale to hit your account. Standard settlement in the US takes 2 business days. So, if you sell a stock on Monday, the cash won't be available to withdraw until Wednesday. Now, Robinhood Gold users have a bit of an advantage here. They can access a feature called Instant Settlement, which allows them to withdraw funds from the sale of certain stocks almost immediately. It's not magic, but it can be a handy tool if you need the cash fast. Just remember, there can be some fees associated with instant settlement, so be sure to factor those in. Bonus round: a few other things to keep in mind. Free stock sales: love those free stock bonuses Robinhood gives out for referrals? There's a catch. You have to wait 30 days before you can withdraw the cash from selling that stock. So, that freebie might not be quite as instant as you'd hoped. Margin accounts: if you're using Robinhood's margin investing feature, you'll need to maintain a minimum balance of $2,000 in your account. If you fall below that threshold, you might not be able to make withdrawals until you top it back up. Account restrictions: while rare, Robinhood may occasionally restrict your account, which can limit your ability to withdraw funds. If you run into this situation, you'll need to contact Robinhood support to get things sorted. So, how much can you really withdraw? Ultimately, the amount you can withdraw from Robinhood depends on your specific situation. Consider your daily limits based on your deposit method, factor in settlement times, and be aware of any special circumstances like free stock sales or margin requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.